everyone, welcome back. Whether you're a small business owner or a part of a large enterprise, understanding landed cost in Odoo can truly optimize your business operations, helping you make more informed decisions. So let's see how Odoo simplifies the management of landed cost. So for that, let's get into the inventory application. So first of all, we have to enable the landed cost feature. So for that, we can go to the configuration and open settings. So here we can just search for the landed cost. So we can enable it and save. So this landed cost feature allows us to calculate the total cost of a product. That includes not only the purchase cost, but also the additional costs such as transportation or the custom fees. So any other cost that is associated with bringing the product to its final destination, that will be calculated. Now we can just create a new product. We can go to products. And let's create a new product as transport. So here we have to set the product type as service. And here below the purchase tab, we have to activate the landed cost. And then save it. And you have to note down that the landed cost can only be applied for the products that is having average cost or FIFO as the costing method. And it should be automated inventory valuation also. Then only the landed cost work. So you just have to verify whether all the product categories is having the respective costing method and the inventory valuation. So here we have set it as average costing and the inventory valuation is automated. So either the costing method can be first in, first out, or otherwise average costing. Then only the landed cost work. So now we can just go to the purchase and create a purchase order for a product. So now we can go to purchase, create a new quotation, select the vendor, and here we can add a product. We can set the quantity and we can just save the quotation and confirm the order. Receive the products. So we can set the quantities and validate it. So after validating, we can just go back to the purchase order and create a new bill. So we can choose the bill date. And in the invoice line, we can add the transport as the landed cost. So as you can see, after selecting the transport, the landed cost has already been enabled. So now we can update the sales price. We can save it and confirm. So after confirming, you can see the landed cost button appears. So here we have to select the transfers. So now we can just save it. And we can just verify whether the transfer we have selected it is correct or not. So here in the purchase order, receipt we can take it and this is the transfer. So again we can go back to the vendor bills landed cost So now we can just validate it. The transfer we have chosen is correct. So here different split methods are there. So before validating, you can just set it correctly and validate it. So you can either split equally or by weight or by quantity like that. You can just select it, and after that you can validate the landed cost. So now we can go to the inventory and see the landed cost. So here inventory under the operations, landed cost is there. So here let's open this. So this is the landed cost that we have created just now, the transfer. So let's now go back to the purchase order and make the payment. So here the total amount including the landed cost is shown. So now we can just register the payment. So the payment has been done. So this is how we can create landed cost. Thanks for joining us today.